In February 1893, Brisbane and its surrounds were inundated after 3 rain events occurred close together. This caused the Brisbane River to peak at 24.5 metres, higher than the 20.5 metres during the 1974 flood and 5 metres higher than the 2011 floods. Victoria Bridge and Indooroopilly Railway Bridge were swept away. The floodwaters carried the gunboat Paluma into the botanical gardens and left it among the remaining plants and trees. The 225-tonne steamer SS Dickey ran aground on a beach near Caloundra, where it stayed until 2014. The beach there still bears its name. Just as it was in 2011 and 1974, Brisbane was not the only place hit. Houses were washed away at Gympie, lives were lost in Maryborough, and the Mary River Bridge washed away. Ipswich, Rockhampton and Bundaberg were also inundated. 35 lives were lost, including 7 victims at the Eclipse Colliery in North Ipswich, where flooding from the Bremer River caused the mine to collapse and water to rush in. The Warwick Examiner gave this first-hand report of the damage to South Brisbane on 11th of February 1893. Crossing from the North Quay to South Brisbane, the sight which meets the eye is appalling. The streets themselves covered to a depth of inches by a thick, foul-smelling mud, partially blocked by half-demolished houses, telegraph poles and posts with wires, forming a trap for those who are not sufficiently careful in getting about, crockeryware, dead animals and articles of broken furniture. Along Stanley, Grey and Merivale streets, the same state of affairs existed. Houses were piled on each other, house fronts were hanging on the chimney of less damaged dwellings, odds and ends of furniture were jutting out of 8 inches of mud, all telling their own tale of ruin. The people themselves were broken-hearted. Their stories of misery and despair were heart-rending in the extreme.